Trending stocks. This is Friday, the 5th of December 2025. They were trending in the post-market session of yesterday, the 4th. So this is the pre-market session of Friday, the 5th. Okay. We have SOFI, SUGP, OKLO, RBRK, and DOCU. Okay, SOFI down 7.8%. Okay, let's see whether we can get any news as regards what's going on with SOFI. Let's see whether we can get any news. Okay, yeah, this is the pre-market session. It's coming up. It's quite a high beta stock. Let's see here. Yesterday, the company launched a $1.5 billion common stock offering. Goldman Sachs underwriting proceeds earmarked for general corporate purposes. Okay. Let's see what we have for SOFI. Short interest. Okay. Not a factor. Okay. So let's see what we have. This is the 4-hour chart. The stock. Okay. Just like the broader market. Let's just say that it picked up a bounce on the 21st, exactly 2 weeks ago, and it is attempting to contract its own expansion. Others are still attempting to print higher prices. So the extrapolation is saying that this contraction that began yesterday, it's down, as you can see, 7.94. So this contraction is expected to remain in place up to the close of today's trading session. Then after that, it might attempt to resume the uptrend. Okay, the 40-period moving average is rising at least towards the 10th of December to ensure that a contraction of this bounce that might pick up is maybe achieved. In other words, trying to ensure that the stock trades within this wedge, the wedge that's formed by the extrapolation of the 40-period moving average and the rising 3-period moving average. So a bounce is expected to occur, but it's expected to be moderated by the 40-period moving average, which may still be expected to keep rising at least towards the 10th of December. Okay, momentum is expected to keep on decaying up till the close of today's trading session, and then from the post-market session, it's expected that it would have even resumed. The momentum is expected to have picked up by then, and expected to remain strong up till the 11th, Thursday the 11th. Okay, we'll see how all of these turn out. SUGP up 16.29%. It was trending yesterday. Let's see whether we can find anything down here. Okay, let's try FinViz. It might have something. FinViz. SUGP. Okay, so yesterday, retail anticipation of a short squeeze fueled by low float and peer momentum from SMX. Okay, let's see. Okay, so gain down. Okay, the strength again was amid heightened retail trade activity on social platforms, where SUGP gained attraction as a low float play around 400,000 shares with near zero borrower availability. Meanwhile, the explosive spike in PSMX earlier yesterday, traders, and indeed also currently now, traders highlighted the stock's tiny supply and potential for trap shorts, creating a pressure cooker setup that amplified buying pressure post-close. Volume spiked significantly, corroborating the balls. Though no formal company announcement or external news triggered the move. This reflects classic small cap dynamics where social media chatter can ignite rapid speculative rallies in after market trading. Okay, let's see what we have down here. Let's see what we have. Yeah, short float is not that significant, but yeah, okay, it's not about that completely. It's still something, you know. Float, you can see here, it's actually saying 160,000. 160,000, that's even less than 400,000 reader was actually indicated there. Okay. Let's see, gain is now 16.29%. Doesn't trade, hardly trades that much. Okay, intraday high 11.38. When did it print? Yesterday. Okay. Yeah, 7.21 is the current price. Okay. Liquidity, okay, it's not very liquid. You can see you buy at 7.59, you sell at 7.21. You can see you buy here and then you sell it. Oh, this is not, well, for now it's not liquid. It's not liquid now, for now, okay. SUGP, okay. The speculation is saying that this contraction, okay, it has actually contracted, as a matter of fact. It has actually contracted. Yeah, so this gain of 16.29% is it's contracting from the highs of 11.38. Yeah, it's contracted from the highs of 11.38. Yeah, it's not giving us that. It's not giving us the exact figure here on the trading view. So it's saying that it might remain in place up till Monday the 8th, and then after that it might attempt to bounce again. So, but the 40-period moving average is rising to catch any dip. Okay. Projections are currently saying 2.88, 2.13, 4.08. We've seen higher prices, 11.38. What we can do is adjust the validate, not validate, but here on the 1 minute chart, the algos may have printed something like that. Yeah, you can see here 11.06, 13.83, 15.89, 17.15. That's what I mean. That's what I mean. Yeah. So the algos have they've recognized that this intraday high, and they have projected that they might even attempt to print further. Okay. I think we can for now we can make do with these projections: 11.06, 13.83, 15.89, 17.15 for SUGP. Yeah. The line trend is severely bearish. Okay, the algo's got this one right. That's what's going to be up today. Yeah. OKLO down 6.24%, intraday high 114.29 yesterday. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so this is still the pre-market session, not much is really expected. Okay, the company launches a $1.5 billion at market equity offering. Okay, that was yesterday. All right. Yeah. It was trading yesterday. Okay. So up but down 6.24%. Okay. So the line trend is strongly bullish. Let's see now. So far, so good. So far, this extrapolation is not. It's diverging with what's going on right now. Projections are saying 171.85. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart, which is reflecting this decline of 6.15%. Okay, so yeah, this contraction is expected to remain in place up till the end of today's trading session, where it might get support from itself, rising 40-period moving average. So after that, it might go into an accumulative contraction, or it might attempt to resume the uptrend, but with a decent not with this steep angle attack, but also with volatility. So the contraction is expected to carry on up till the end of today's trading session, and then after that, I begin to I might resume the accumulation. Yeah. Projections are saying, let's see, we have 107.21. We've seen higher prices. We have 114.29. Yeah. So let's see, we have 114.29. Do we have anything higher than that? Okay. Yeah, we have to go all the way back to 19th of November to get the stock projection. We're looking at 116.14, 120.28. Yeah. As a matter of fact, 114 was projected as of the 6th of November. Yeah. RBRK. Up 17.71%, intraday high in this session, 84.80. RBRK. Okay, RBRK, okay, yeah. So this strength it has now is expected to remain in place at least up till midday today, midday of time today, and then after that it might contract the expansion, and yeah, they might contract expansion going all the way down towards. Okay, well after the contraction, they might attempt to begin a consolidation from the Wednesday the 10th. Okay, let's see now. This expansion began yesterday, as a matter of fact. Yeah. No, it actually began in the post-market session. Yeah. So, okay, projections are saying, let's see, we have RBI at 4.80. Let's see, nothing to those sort of levels. We could just quickly jump to its 1 minute chart to see what they're saying. 83.29, 83.85. Okay, yeah. Let's see the 3 minute chart to see. Okay, 84.05, 85.22, 85.93. Not really that ambitious, but it has ample room to the upside. Yeah, 85, yeah. RBRK beats financial year 2022, beats Q3 financial year 2026 estimates with 48% revenue growth to $250.2 million post price profit. Subscription annual return rate up by 34% to 1.35 billion. Okay, some positive there on its earnings outcomes. Okay. So yeah, our projections giving this intraday high at 84.80. There's just slight upward projections. Yeah, if you go all the way back to September of this year, it had as high as 107.02, 112.87. Yeah, but as for now, a contraction is expected, and then after that, the consolidation. DOCU down 5.27%, intraday high yesterday 74.97. Okay, so DOCU is down at 5.27%. Okay, let's see. This is a 4-hour chart. Okay, so it's expected to, it has just picked up the bounce, and the uptrend is expected to resume modestly, going all the way towards the 15th of December. Projections are currently saying, let's see now, 74.19, 76.75, 78.32. Let's see whether there's any news here. DOCU was recognized as a leader in the Gartner CLM Magic Quadrant for the 6th consecutive year and received a Salesforce Innovation Award for its DOCU for Agent Force solution. The company reported Q3 earnings of $83.725 million, or 40 cents per share, up by $62.423 million. Revenue rose 8% to $818.35 million. DOCU's AI-driven identity and access management platform now serves over 25,000 customers, boosting revenue with new integrations like ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot enhancing its features. Okay, some positives there for DOCU. So contracting expansion that ended in the pre-market session of yesterday. So that expansion began, yes, you guessed it, 24th of November. So saying that they might resume the uptrend, or it may bounce again, or try to resume the uptrend. From today the 5th. Okay, so by the it's saying actually by Monday, pre-market session on Monday the 8th, it would have just the extrapolation, it would have picked up some strength. However, the outlook are suggesting that momentum may continue to decay, and then it might pick up from Monday, the post-market session on Monday. Okay. So yeah, that's what's going on with these stocks. So see what you make of all of them. Thank you very much for watching this video.